There are several ways to make money fast online, some of which include online surveys. You can sign up for online survey websites such as Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Vindale Research and get paid for providing your opinions on different products and services. Selling products online. You can sell products online through platforms such as eBay, Amazon, or Etsy. You can sell your own products or source products from other sellers and resell them. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a subject, you can offer online tutoring services through platforms such as Chegg, TutorMe, or Wyzant. Virtual assistant. You can offer virtual assistant services to businesses or individuals by completing tasks such as email management, scheduling, and research. Affiliate marketing. You can earn commissions by promoting products or services on your website or social media platforms through affiliate marketing programs such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale. Online freelancing. You can offer your services as a freelancer on websites such as Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr and get paid for completing tasks such as graphic design, writing, or programming. Remember that making money online fast is not a guarantee and may require effort and time on your part.